the town where I was born lived a man who sailed the sea, and he told us of his life in the land of submarines. So we sailed up to the sun till we found a sea of green, and we lived beneath the waves in a yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. And our friends are all on board. Many more of them live next door, and the band begins to play.
Good morning and welcome to the Wolf Network. We are the Big Bad Wolf Team.
My name is Lainey.
I am Marissa.
My name is Dylan.
And I am Jalen. Next Wednesday, April 22nd, 2015 is Earth Day and Marissa's birthday. Yay! Earth Day is known as the clean up the Earth Day. That means litter on the ground, litter in the lakes, and garbage in our communities. So that means picking up and throwing away trash in our lakes, parks, YMCAs, and more. So grab a friend or a family member to save the earth.
Thanks, Jalen. On Friday, April 10th, our Hong Kong students came to PSI.
Yay!
Sunday, April 19th, they left to go back home. Even though it's a short amount of time, it's a long memory. Now, hear what the experience is like from my Hong Kong student, Sammy. So, if you could take anything back to Hong Kong, what would it be?
I think I would take Ohio back to Hong Kong.
Please enjoy the video of our exchange students and their journey to the United States. From some national news. Dylan?
Thanks, Lainey. On April 15, 1865, President Abraham Lincoln was assassinated by John Wilkes Booth. He was a Maryland native born in 1838 who remained in the North during the Civil War despite his Confederate sympathies. As the conflict entered its final stages, he and several associates hatched a plot to kidnap the president and take him to Richmond, the Confederate capital. However, on March 20th, 1865, the day the planned kidnapping, Lincoln failed to appear at the spot where he was supposed to be, only to be shot later in Washington, D.C. And now Marissa with some school news.
Thanks, Dylan. Student Council's basket sale was a huge success. Thanks to you guys, we raised over $175. Woo! All proceeds will be donated to Ronald McDonald House as well as the Franklin County Shelter.
Thank you for watching. Please stand and join us for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.